Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I'm back with another video for your top. I've been talking about my NYC pickups for at least about 3 videos now, and it's finally time to show y'all what I picked up. So about a week ago, I was out in New York City. I did some stuff with Bleacher Report. As y'all can see, the BR Kicks hoodie. Me and Unbreakable Kicks got a show on Bleacher Report called Did You Cop? We pretty much go live on a lot of the bigger releases. Jordan, Nike Dunk, you name it, we are live on the Bleacher Report app, and we basically go live with y'all. We take L's, we take W's. It's just something for us to like experience together. If y'all haven't watched that, if y'all not tapped in with that, if you have a Bleacher Report app, if you like a sports fan or you like to keep up with the games, all you simply have to do is just enter Kicks in the search bar, and when we go live, y'all can check us out. Also, if you follow me on like Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, I pretty much let y'all know which sneakers we going live for. While we were out there, we did a live in studio episode, which was probably by far one of my favorite episodes we've ever done. Actually doing another in studio episode December 11th. That was my first time ever being in New York, and I gotta say, bruh, when it comes to shopping, the options is absolutely limitless. I'm in there, bruh, not knowing what to buy. Not gonna lie, it's like 50 sneaker stores each corner. It's like a lot of clothing stores. It's stuff that I've never heard of. Yo, I was in Noah. I went to some spots I can't even like pronounce. I went to Kith. I went to Bape. I went to Supreme. All these stores that's not available in Atlanta. And I came away with a lot of pickups, and I wanted to bring y'all all the pickups together in one video. So let's get into it. All right, man, we're gonna start off with some of the clothing because, like I said, I did cop some clothing. As y'all can see, the weather is changing. It's getting cold in Atlanta, all right? So it's time for me to kind of rearrange the wardrobe, do some things. I have been uploading a lot more sneakers on my website. Snipes Closet is linked down below. A lot of steals and deals. Some sneakers only going for about $60 to $50. Make sure y'all take care of that, bro. I'm telling y'all, hey, look, the deals are finalized and they super steals. Now, one of my first pickups is something that I really wanted to grab. They had an Eric Emanuel store. And I don't know if a lot of y'all been keeping up with the Eric Emanuel hype. It's been getting crazy. His shorts this summer took an all-time high, but I actually decided to grab one of the Eric Emanuel hoodies, man. Very simple. I think that's why a lot of people like this brand. Very simplistic, but still cool at the same time. Realistically, honestly, I don't really like zip-up hoodies. I love pullovers like this because pullovers is easier to layer with like jackets, overlayers, and stuff like that. But this zip-up hoodie is kind of cool because just like the Bape Shark heads, it zips up completely, like 100%. Like you can either zip all the way up on the hood. This colorway is kind of like a rust brown colorway. Really liked it. Like I said, once again, very simplistic. It even got like the Eric Emanuel logo right here on the chest. I seen this colorway. It was another one I liked too. It was an orange pullover, but unfortunately, it didn't have my size. This is my first Eric Emanuel pickup of my life. You know what I'm saying? If it was hot, I would have picked up the shorts, even though the shorts be taxed crazy. I think I paid $200 for the hoodie, even though it's kind of on the up and up, man. Hey, look, I had to grab this. So shout out for the Eric Emanuel pickup. Now, it was freezing cold in New York. Another thing I picked up that I didn't even mean to pick up, it was just so cold I had to get like some more layers. I picked up this cool bubble coat from Urban Outfitters. Now, this bubble coat is huge, puffy, it's big. I actually even posted a picture on Instagram. A lot of y'all like the fit I did it with. And to be honest, me and Jay Jones went in there looking for a jacket, and I unintentionally got fly. I picked this up, I threw it up under like a Jordan brand hoodie with the Air Jordan 5 Anthracite, so I threw the pickup, and it came out pretty good. Yeah, this one was only like $50. A nice big puffer coat. It gets cold in Atlanta. Puffer coat cold sometimes, especially late at night. Don't get it twisted. Atlanta still hit 40, 30 degrees sometimes, so we need those. Another hoodie pickup, man, was my first time ever in Supreme. I bought Supreme before, I owned Supreme before, but I never ever been inside the store. When we got there, it was the Timberland collab, but I didn't decide to get anything from the Timberland collab. I decided to get something from like a prior week's drop. Very basic Supreme hoodie, gray on the front, but it's like a darker shade gray on the back. It's kind of like a half and half. Really good quality. Y'all know Supreme, man, the quality is always thick, it's always good. The large S logo, you know what I'm saying? I wish I was around Supreme when the box logos came out. Well, actually, I was around it. I just didn't have the bread. So I wish I had the bread when box logos came out, but nevertheless, we do have a Supreme hoodie. Y'all ever follow me on Instagram? My fashion is pretty simple. This basic, simple Supreme gray hoodie can go with so much. A lot of times when I buy clothing nowadays, I just look to see how many times can I reuse it. I got so many shoes, so many clothes that I only wear once because they're just so bright and so much of a staple. It's cool to have some stuff that you can put in your rotation and you can continually wear it over and over. All right, so that's it for the clothes, man. I got 2 hoodies and a jacket, and of course, y'all know I picked up some sneakers, so let's get into those. First sneaker I picked up in New York was the shoe that I already did a review on, but I still wanted to brush on it really quickly if y'all didn't watch the video. I picked up the Halloween Nike Dunk Low. I just recently did a full sneaker review on this shoe, everything from the glow in the dark. If y'all want to see any details on this, I will leave it all up in my other video. I'll leave a link down below in the description, but these were fire. I picked these up in New York. I didn't get them in New York though. My homeboy G-Man threw me a live on this while I was in New York, and I picked them up. And like I said, these are better than the Mummies to me 100%. I just wish they would have gave us some better box, because this box ain't it. Now for the pickups y'all probably never seen. When you bomb from Flight Club, it's getting serious. The reason why I say that, man, y'all know Flight Club be taxing. I ain't gonna lie, Flight Club be taxing. But still, I decided to pick up some things that, you know, I definitely needed. All right, so number one, man, I got another pair of New Balances. And this pair of New Balances is super, super cool. It was in my top 3 sneakers this year. And if you're guessing what I think you're guessing, you're absolutely right. That is the Joe Freshgood. Now, I already own a pair of Joe Freshgood. This is my second pair of the Joe Freshgood. And the reason why I grabbed this one is because I got it for a steal of a deal. And I wanted to use this for trade bait. It's so many of the Salehis I don't own. It's a few pair of Yeezy Boosts that I don't own that I know a lot of people actually rocking with the shoe, because it's a great one. You know, I think that New Balance is on a great tear right now. I think they're killing the game by them having collabs or working with designers like Joe Freshgood or even Salehi or even Jaden Smith for that point. I mean, the options are limitless. Size 12, you already know the vibe. Like I said, New Balance is on the up and up. You know, now I have 2 pair. Other pair over here, got a pair here. If y'all on Trade Block, hit me. I did list these up on Trade Block for trades. I did think that this pair was definitely worth doubling up on, and I am planning to get rid of these though. I ain't gonna cap. I don't need one to rock, one to stock. I only need one to rock. Y'all know I wear my shoes. I'm not one of them guys that buy shoes and don't wear them, so I might be even wearing these today. Not this pair in particular, the pair that I bought to wear. I might be wearing those today, so tap in with me. These are cool though. Everything from the colorway, from like the message on the back, the lace swaps is endless. It's a lot of different lace swaps you can do with these. 10 out of 10, no question. So I got the Joe Freshgood, I got the Nike Dunk Halloween, and lastly, the last sneaker in here, another Nike Dunk. Yes, I know, I've been very hypocritical. I've said in the past, I'm done buying Nike Dunks. I've said it plenty of times. Reason being is because everybody you see now have a pair of Nike Dunks on. I remember a time where, and don't get me wrong, I'm not at the beginning of the dunk hype either, so I had to calm down. I'm not a pioneer of the dunks, but I was wearing them in a time where they're not as common as they are now. And by Nike Dunk just coming out with so many different colorways, it can literally dropping 5 colorways a week, it kind of made me kind of draw back and restrain myself from buying them. But there's still certain colorways out there that's worth copping. I'm just passing like on 7 now and buying 1. I used to buy all 7, so I'm doing better. The UNC Nike Dunk Low. I mean, UNC might be like one of the most produced colors that came out this year. I really think every brand that decided to do something with a UNC colorway pretty much hit the mark. So there's no need to tell y'all why I went in and grabbed these UNC Dunk Lows. Everything about this shoe, from the colorway, from the brightness of it, from the tone of it, from the model alone being a Nike Dunk, which I probably wear the most right now. 10 out of 10, no question. I got the UNC Jordan 1s behind me. I got the UNC Jordan 1s that came out earlier. I got the Air Jordan UNC 3s. Now I got the UNC Dunks. I know, same colorway, but every one of them got their own little spin to it. They all got their different shades of UNC, and I feel like you can all rock them in different purposes. And you know, I just like options, man. I like having my options. However, I did list these on Trade Block too. So if any of y'all got something that y'all don't want and y'all want these UNCs, or if y'all want the Joe Freshgoods, I listed both on Trade Block. You can follow me on Trade Block at Sniper Jones. I'm verified on there, so y'all know it's me and not one of the minions, you know what I'm saying? People that be doing that weird stuff like, you know, faking profiles and stuff like that. But yes, these are my pickups, man. I got 3 pickups. I got the Joe Freshgoods, I got the UNC Dunk Low, and I got the Halloween Glow in the Dark Dunk Low. I picked up some Supreme pieces, I picked up some Eric Emanuel pieces, and I came through with the Bubble Code. That's a lot of shopping for only 4 days. So I will be going back to NYC soon, and I was really looking for the Salehi joints. I was looking for the Salehi pair. I'll post that up on the screen. I was looking for those. I found a store. I forget the name of the store. I think it was called like District 1 or something like that. It was across from Round 2. They had them. They just didn't have them my size. So hopefully, I mean, I got better luck next time. Like I said, if y'all had that pair and you're looking for one of these, then make sure you hit me up on Trade Block. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments on my pickups from New York, man. Are they worth it? Was they good pickups? Was they bad pickups? Yes, no, maybe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that down below in the description of the video. Head over to my website. Like I said, a lot of deals, a lot of steals. Take advantage of that, and I will see y'all in the next one. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.